students, welcome to e-learning classes. This is your computer period and today we will start lesson number 3, that is more on Windows. In this video we will discuss about what is Windows Media Player and how to copy a CD to a computer. So students, go through the video and watch it carefully. Lesson number 3, more on Windows. Today we will start new chapter, more on Windows. First of all, we will discuss about what is Windows Media Player. A special program in Windows called Windows Media Player is used to play digital media files. Digital media files means audio and video on a computer. It provides an interface to play and organize digital media files stored in the computer memory. Windows Media Player also lets you copy data from a CD or DVD to a computer and vice versa, from a CD or DVD to any other portable device and vice versa. So Windows Media Player is a special program and in Windows and it is used to play audio and video on a computer. It is also used to play and organize digital media file which is stored in computer memory. It is also used to copy data from CD or DVD to a computer or to copy a CD DVD to any other portable device which are used to store data. Now second topic is RIP. RIP means to copy a CD to a computer. Copying a digital file or digital media file to a computer is called ripping, and it can be done by following these steps, and these are the steps which are followed in Windows 7, and for Windows 10 there are some different points which I will tell you. Now first of all, how to copy a CD to a computer in Windows 7, we have to follow these steps. First of all, click on Start button. First of all, you have to click on Start button, then go to All Program, then you have to go to Windows Media Player. When you click on Windows Media Player, a window which is like this, it will appear in front of you, and you have to insert CD or DVD in the CD drive, and the songs which are stored in CD, it will appear in a list, in the form of a list in Windows Media Player, and by default all the songs or all the audio files are already selected. You have to, if you don't want to choose or don't want to select all the songs, you can deselect it by clicking selection list, then clear the checkbox. In this way you can deselect it. After selecting whatever song you want to select, you can select it, and then after selecting you can click on RIP CD button. When you click on the RIP CD button, the ripping or the copying process will begin. But if you want to stop the copying process at any point, click on Stop RIP button and the ripping process will stop there. Then if you whatever songs you have selected, you can it will automatically copied in the Windows Media Player library. If you want to see or play the copied songs, you have to go to Windows Media library to play them. In this way, in Windows 7 you can follow these steps to copy the songs, and you can play it by following this. Now in Windows 10, copying of CD or DVD is different. In Windows 10 you have to follow these steps in Windows 10. First of all, you have to enter WMP, Windows Media Player, in the search bar. Then click on the Windows Media Player. In the search bar, you have to enter WMP. Then click on the Windows Media Player. After that, you have to insert CD DVD into the drive. Then in the left side bar, click on the CD. Then on the left hand side you will see this type of bar. Click on the CD or DVD. This is the logo of CD. You have to click on it. Then after this you have to click on the RIP setting. This is the RIP setting. In the drop down arrow you have to click here. You go to format bar, then go to this and you have to select MP3. By clicking over it you will see a check sign here. This means you have selected this. Then again you have to click on RIP settings, then go to audio quality, and here you have to select 256 kilobyte per second or 320 kilobyte per second. You can deselect the songs which you don't want to RIP to your computer. Then after this click on RIP CD. Then you have to click on RIP CD automatically. Here when you click on it, it will automatically start ripping, means start copying the music from your CD to the computer hard drive. After copying it, you can eject this CD. After, when the ripping process is finished, you can eject it by clicking over it. So these are the steps which you can follow to rip your CD to a computer in Windows 10. In Windows 10 you have to follow these steps, and in Windows 7 you have to follow these steps. So these are the steps which are used to copy a CD to a computer. In our next video we will discuss about burning a CD or DVD. Thank you.